Hey guys, Dino here from Piaa. Today we're going to talk about some of the features and benefits of our new RF3 LED cube lights. These lights are redefining the small LED light market. They offer industry-leading light output with a precise beam pattern that is controlled by the reflector. This feature is made possible by our exclusive Reflector Facing Technology. By directing the LED chips to face the reflector, it allows us to harness the full power of the LED chips when compared to forward-facing LEDs. Having a precisely focused beam pattern on the RF3 makes the light able to go from the track to the road thanks to its SAE compliance. They feature two 8-watt Cree LED chips with a 6000K color temperature to replicate daylight. They are available in a SAE driving or flood pattern. The housing is made from high-strength aluminum and is 10G vibration validated to withstand the most rugged conditions. The small compact design of the RF3 light makes it perfect for a wide range of uses. They utilize a versatile mounting system with stainless steel hardware that makes them easy to install. They can be used with cars, trucks, and SUVs, along with motorcycles and UTVs. The detailed wiring instructions make installing the RF3 light a quick and painless job. For more information on any Piaa products, check us out at piaa.com.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.